This is the Kidde smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector, and this is great to have in your home for safety reasons. It also comes with these batteries as well as anchors and screws too. Very easy to assemble. Let's put it up together right now.
Okay, I'm going to grab this plate. I'm going to line up the two lines here. They have A's on them, so I'm going to line those up and make it straight and make my dots here for me to drill. There's one there. And one there. Now I'll drill it.
After you drill the holes, then you're going to attach the anchors inside the holes. And after you do that, you're going to twist the screw inside the anchors. And you're going to repeat the step 2 times. After that, you're going to attach the smoke detector ring. And then you're going to twist and tighten up the screws. Once you do that, you're going to attach the batteries inside the unit, and then you're going to attach it and then twist. And then make sure to test it out. Perfect, it works. It's that simple.
Carbon monoxide.
Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.